welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be trying to attempt a DIY. Um, I was bored in my room and I decided I wanted to change my dress into a two-piece, and we're just going to see how it goes. Okay, so this is me in the original dress. It's very cute. I love this neck collar, just Tommy Hilfiger. And what I don't like about the dress is that it's not very tight. Like, it's loose around the waist, or maybe I just have a small waist, gang. I got this dress, I think from, it was either Marshalls or Ross, and it was only, I want to say it was maybe $10 or less than $10. So this was a good steal for Tommy Hilfiger. So here is my outfit, just originally as me cutting it from a two-piece. And this actually looks pretty cute, but I still wanna add more to it. I might keep the shirt as just a crop top though. I don't think I want to cut the shirt anymore. The bottoms are definitely loose, so I'm gonna try to see how I can tighten up the bottoms. But yeah, the shirt is definitely cute. I really like this top. Yeah, I'm so happy so far. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is cut just another piece off the top so that I can make it into two pieces. So that I can make the straps to tie around. I do wish that I had some sharper scissors, but that's okay because these are getting the job done. I'm just kind of concerned that it won't look neat. Like, I don't know, can you see that? But it's kind of rugged, ragged, whatever you want to say. But yeah. I'm just gonna stretch these out. I actually feel like this might be enough. Like these two, I feel like these two are enough. Just stretch it out. Tie the two strings together in a knot. And then just try to cut off that extra. Okay, so there's one. And now the same on the other side. And cut. I need to make that hole smaller though. The other hole was pretty big. All right, this is better. Just like a tiny slit. And same thing. Just put in the other strand that you cut. And when it gets to the end, I'm going to tie another knot. And cut off the extra. All right, so now we have our strands attached to the shirt where we can tie around the body. I found some needle and thread. So now what I'm gonna do to make the skirt tighter is I'm just gonna cut the seam of one, probably cut off some of the fabric and sew it back together. First, I'm just gonna start by turning it inside out. All right. So now that's cut. And I think I'm just gonna take some of the fabric from off of here and cut that. All right. So now that I've cut that, I'm just gonna find that seam again, which is here. And I think I cut off enough. If not, I'm just gonna, just in case, I'm gonna like fold it a little bit. First, let me stretch it out. I'm just gonna fold it over. Because this fabric is really stretchy. So even if it is, or even if it seems like it's going to be too tight, it's not, because the fabric can stretch. Okay. So here's the new seam after I finished sewing, and this is what it looks like on the outside. All right, and now to try it on.
Thanks for watching my video. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.